We have started doing our own first story. So I was like, I'm also into the meditation. One day I was absolutely sitting in the stillness. Then the whispers came from the eternity. That is why we have
kept the name
of the company is
from
Whispers from the Eternity. And you know, in one go, I finished writing the whole first short film. I was a judge. I was judging that pageant कुछ हो रहा था उनका, कुछ छोटा Miss College कुछ ऐसा type था. And I was there and everyone was like, oh, टोटा.
तो आपने जवाब में क्या बोला?
मैंने बोला thank you madam.
Well, the one thing I can think about is like, are you a Wi-Fi? I'm like, what? Because I can feel really strong connection towards you. I'm saying, see, if I'm messaging you, you need to reply me. Of course, I know if you're busy or something, मुझे बता दो कि you are going there or something. Or if you messaging me at least half an hour, one, I cannot just wait for you the entire day कि सुबह message के दिया रात को आपका reply आ रहा है. आप क्या कोई भी इंसान I don't think is that busy not to. How many seconds does it take to just reply I'm busy or I'll call you back or I will just say something. It shouldn't be like too touchy or too much calling. No.
Touchy.
Yeah, it's just like you. It's okay. Yeah, you need to have some kind
boundaries
of boundaries होना चाहिए.
My exes had a lot of friends, you know, then I had no problem. But I did not felt like there's a touchy thing. And, you know, there was
Now he started speaking my
that's
language.
it.
Hello everybody, I'm Rudvani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. प्यार मोहब्बत हम कैसे इसके बिना रह सकते हैं? And love stories are something that you and me and everybody in the world loves. This year has been such a fantastic year for love stories. और आज के मेरे गेस्ट एक बहुत ही खास फिल्म के साथ डेब्यू करने वाले हैं बॉलीवुड में, इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में. Let's welcome them, the wonderful cast of Tara and Akash, Love Beyond Realms. Thank you for doing this.
You're clapping.
But this is true, right? What a wonderful year for love stories. बहुत प्यारी प्यारी कहानियों को with debutantes इस साल, you know, from Sayyara to a lot of, सबको बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है. It's kind of the right time for Tara and Akash to be bringing this to us.
Yeah.
But I think इस फिल्म की जर्नी आप दोनों की जर्नी जैसी है. आप लोग आत्मनिर्भर इंसान हो, आउटसाइडर्स हो इस इंडस्ट्री में, जिन्होंने आई थिंक बिना दूसरों के बातें सुने या दूसरों के डिस्करेजमेंट को देखकर आप निराश नहीं हुए एंड यू ऑल बिल्ड योर ओन पाथ. और आज हम यहाँ हैं. तो जितेश, आपसे शुरू करते हैं और फिर अलंकृता हमें बताएंगी कि कितनी मशक्कत लगती है यहाँ तक पहुँचने में.
Oh yes. See, आप आई थिंक मशक्क़त तो हर किसी में लगती है. और एक बार अगर आप सेट कर लेते हैं ना, एक बार आप अगर श्योर हो जाते हो क्योंकि कि आपको माउंटेन टॉप पे पहुंचना है और आप कन्विंस्ड हो दिल से, एब्सोल्युटली पैशनेट हो, उससे बहुत शिद्दत से प्यार करते हो और फिर आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता. मुझे लगता है ना कि कन्विंस होना बहुत मुश्किल है. एक बार है ना कन्विक्शन आना बहुत मुश्किल है कि यार मुझे ये चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, कि यार ये जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है ना, एक बार एक इंसान ये रिजॉल्व कर लेना कि यार आई वांट दिस, आई एम बॉर्न फॉर दिस, आई एम डिटरमाइंड, आई एम गोना गो फॉर दिस. देन द so many hurdles gonna come because you know you have once you have determined to reach there, nobody can stop you then. So, बहुत मुश्किलों के बाद जब माउंटेन टॉप पे आज फाइनली आप गिरते, घसीटते, यू नो, डूबते, भागते, कपड़े फटते, फाइनली जब आप यहाँ पहुँचते हो तो आपको लगता है कि एवरीथिंग वाज वर्थ.
तो बताइए हमें उन कुछ those anecdotes about what you had to go through, about those struggles, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है like you rightly said, एक इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी बनती है. आज आप दोनों को देखकर वो बहुत सारे लोग जिनको लगता है यार मैं तो यहाँ से हूँ नहीं, क्या मैं कभी पहुँच पाऊँगा यहाँ पे, क्या मैं कभी पहुँच पाऊँगी यहाँ, उनको एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलेगा.
डेफिनेटली. तो उससे पहले ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि पहले से मतलब ये कब से मैंने कब डिसाइड कर लिया था कि बचपन से जब मेरे सारे दोस्त क्रिकेट की तरफ और फुटबॉल की तरफ और गेम्स की तरफ इंक्लाइन थे, तब मैं सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ सिनेमा की तरफ इंक्लाइन था. कि जब सब लोग बाहर जा कर के खेल रहे थे तब मुझे लगा कि यार ये फिल्म्स हैं कि एक ऐसा डायमेंशन है, ऐसे एक सपने हैं जिसमें आप एक अलग ही दुनिया है जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंट्रीगिंग इंस्पायर करती थी. तो मैंने बचपन से सोचा कि यार ये फिल्म्स हैं जो मुझे फिल्म्स बनानी है, उसका पार्ट बनना है, एक्टर बनना है। और जब मैंने ये पहली बार अपने पापा और मम्मी को बताया कि यार मुझे ना एक्टिंग की पढ़ाई करनी है, तो उनको ये नहीं पता था कि एक्टिंग की भी पढ़ाई होती है। मैंने बोला कि मुझे दिल्ली जाना है और वहाँ पे NSD है और वहाँ पे मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, और पढ़ाई करके ना आप तभी सीख सकते हो, क्योंकि एक्टिंग इज़ अ मल्टी डायमेंशनल थिंग, कि ना उसको बहुत ही मुश्किल चीज़ है। तो उनको इतना समझ नहीं, तो बोला कि अच्छा मुश्किल तो इंजीनियरिंग है, वो करके दिखाओ। और जैसे सारी कहानी होती तो मैंने इंजीनियरिंग मुझे करनी पड़ी, क्योंकि हमारे फैमिली में कोई भी ऐसा नहीं था कि एक्टिंग की तरफ। तो आई हैव बिकम एन इंजीनियर एंड आफ्टर दैट आई वाज लाइक कि यार मतलब मैं जॉब करने लगा, बट मुझे पता चला कि यार वो जो सपना था ना, या तो फिर वो झूठ था क्या, मतलब जो बचपन में देखा था कि यार वो मैं करूँगा, फिल्म मेकिंग और एक्टर बनूंगा एक दिन। तो फिर एक बार क्या हुआ कि टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का एक आर्टिकल देखा मैंने, बॉम्बे टाइम्स में आया था कि है ना डोर टू मिस्टर इंडिया। मैंने बोला कि एक ये तरीका है कि जिसमें है ना आप ऐसी पर्सनालिटी दिखा सकते हो ना, अब आपने जो कि कन्वेंशनल तरीके से पढ़ाई नहीं की है, तो ऐसी पर्सनालिटी दिखा सकते हो कि यार आप है ना है वो टैलेंटेड कि आपको भी शायद कोई एक्टर कास्ट कर लेगा। उसके बाद मैंने बहुत ही डेडिकेशन के साथ, हार्ड वर्किंग के साथ, one pointed goal. It was like Mr. India for 2015, and my family is like, if you can do this, then we will be convinced that you are convinced absolutely, because we are worried for you कि यार उसमें पैसे कैसे होगा, क्या होगा। और 2015 में मैं मिस्टर इंडिया जीत गया,
सुपरनेशनल।
और उसके बाद मुझे इंटरनेशनल पैजेंट पे जाने का मौका मिला। आई हैव रिप्रेजेंटेड इंडिया एंड वन मिस्टर सुपरनेशनल। दैट वाज फर्स्ट द कॉन्फिडेंट केम इन मी कि यार आई वाज रियली श्योर अबाउट इट। आई वाज कन्विंस्ड कि यार मुझे ना ये करना है, मेरे लिए करना है यार, वो जो सपने थे ना मुझे जीने हैं। उसके बाद जैसे ही जो मिस्टर इंडिया, मिस्टर सुपरनेशनल का वो जो फेम आता है ना, वो मैं क्विकली वहाँ से खिसक लिया और मैं पहुँच गया पौंडीचेरी अपनी एक्टिंग की पढ़ाई करने के लिए। मैं आदिशक्ति थिएटर ग्रुप के साथ काफ़ी टाइम रहा और मुझे लगा कि यार ये कौन सा साइंस है। दे हैव टॉट मी अ साइंस जिसमें आपके अंदर जा कर के, आपके अंदर से वो नॉरस कैसे निकलते हैं, वो क्या इमोशंस है, उसकी जो पढ़ाई वहाँ रहना। मैं रेकमेंड करूँगा कोई भी एक्टर या कोई भी इंसान या कोई भी फिल्म मेकर या कोई भी इस दुनिया में प्लीज़ वहाँ जाएँ, और वहाँ जा कर के आपका ना लाइफ का पर्सपेक्टिव बदल जाएगा। उसके बाद मैं यहाँ पे आया, मैं श्योर था कि यार मुझे है ना एक्टिंग करनी है, और मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ इसके लिए बना।
लेकिन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी है आपकी। और हाँ, ये कॉन्वर्सेशन अब ऑफ कोर्स अलंकृता आपकी तरफ मुड़ता है। आपकी जर्नी सुनने के लिए इवन आई एम वेरी इंटरेस्टेड। गुवाहाटी से मुंबई तक की ये जर्नी कैसी हुई, शुरुआत कैसी हुई, और अब जैसे हमको ऑफ कोर्स बात करनी है आप दोनों कैसे मिले और फिर प्रोडक्शन हाउस कैसे हुआ।
So I was in 11th standard, extremely never inclined towards this industry. So that time the summer break was going on and I was in a restaurant, and when Times of India, a guy from there, Times Talent, Bennett, has spotted me and he was explaining, Miss Universe Diva is happening for the first time and we have come to Guwahati to audition people. Would you like to audition for it? And I didn't know. I was like, why? I was 17. I did not understand कि यार मुझे कैसे ले सकते हैं. I was just like, I was here to have fun. I wanted to go study in London School of Economics. I had a fixed dream कि और मुझे ना पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी लगती थी. Like I like to study. I like to do this. I never was thought about in my darkest dream also that I can do this. That was like my mom and dad, they were like super interested. They were just like, yeah, she will do it. Before answering, we were like, yeah, she loves it.
पहले पेरेंट्स देखे हैं जो बोले भाई आप ये इस इंडस्ट्री में जा सकते हो. We were like, most of us are absolutely opposite.
Yeah.
हमारे पेरेंट्स like, no, please don't go.
My family, my father especially, he was just like, yeah, she can dance. He started giving my profile only. हाँ, she dances Kathak, Briju Mahas का trained है, ये कर सकती है, वो कर सकती है. She's very expert in this. I was like, I don't even know what are you saying. Then that's how the journey started, and suddenly I topped all the auditions and I had to go to Mumbai for Father, the pageant. Then I was just like, okay, great, that's wonderful, and I didn't know about anything. And the moment I arrived in Mumbai, then I saw all the models were extremely professional, trained, how to speak, how to walk, and I was just like, or I was eating pastries. I was like, ye kya ho raha hai? Matlab, I don't know how to cope up with all this. But one thing I knew that, I was very confident. I was just like, मैं कर लूँगी. And I know that I'm a very good learner. If you teach me something, I will learn it quickly. Whether I know or not know about the thing, but I will learn it quickly, and you will see like, oh, maybe she can do it.
That's a very good thing about her. I can
Yeah.
witness that because मैं सारे 9 रस सीख के आया. When I saw her for the first time, she was emoting those 9 emotions without even saying anything. मतलब ये तो मतलब all I can see on her face that she's emotive. She's so emotive. Like ये कौन है इतनी emotional?
I think because of dancing also, you know,
Yeah,
because of
yeah.
the Indian classical dance, it helped me a lot. Because
Yeah.
I'm a professional trained Kathak dancer. And because of this emotion, I started dancing when I was 1.5 years old. First stage performance was that. My parents, I'm telling you, the moment I was born, they were like fixed कि ये करेगी, वहाँ जाएगी, ये करेगी. When they were just like too much up to it. And yeah, I'm just living their dream, I feel like. Now it's become my dream, but once I see them completely happy, I feel like, okay, I've done something right there.
How lovely. तो अब बात करते हैं आप दोनों ने कैसे डिसाइड किया
Right.
कि साथ में फिल्म बनाते हैं और दर दर भटकने से बेटर है कि हम खुद को एम्पावर करके अपना एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस शुरू करते हैं और वहाँ से हम कहानी बनाएंगे और फॉरवर्ड लेके जाते हैं इस जर्नी को.
So I believe दर दर भटकना is a part of the journey. और हम मतलब ये है ही मतलब this is the part of the process which is like fine. तो हम वो कर ही रहे थे. Like we were just giving auditions because you know you're an actor. This is your job. Like when you're not performing, you are auditioning. You know हम audition दे रहे थे, हर जगह जा रहे थे और it was a fun process because you know that's what we are here to. But when I met her for the first time, we become instant friends. You know मतलब वो जो vibe थी ना मुझे वो लगा कि यार I want to become an actor. She's like यार I wanted to do business but I like this also. Like when I'm like यार you are so like emotive. You should do this. I mean you can be a really good actor. So we become friends and like let's just do something together. I mean we are doing this, we are auditioning, we are performing and we are doing theaters and all that. But let's just create something. Why not? Let's just create our own stuff. Let's do something which nobody has done. Let's do something that show that God's creative principle works through you. So like we were just discussing these things and we're like let's just because I wanted to write, I wanted to do whole filmmaking with the acting. I want to become a director, writer also.
And
So
for me, I was interested more of the behind the camera also. The moment, I was doing all different kind of shoots and all this kind of campaigns. What the job of an actor or a model is just like, you come dressed up and you do your part and you go back. But I wanted to enjoy the part कि उससे पहले क्या होता है, how the team, they are taking time and chatting and how this production happens, how you arrange everything. That was my, forte ki, okay, I want to also do this. Like behind the camera में क्या है, उसका कहानी क्या है. So I was like, one day even I want to open a production house and I want to also be with the people. I want to also learn how to do the business, and that's a very interesting part for me.
So yeah, there was a very different dimension and understanding in her that she was like, I want to understand the production perspective also, like how they produce it and what exactly happens, what goes in what, how to do the filmmaking. Because filmmaking, production is a part of the filmmaking overall, and it's really difficult to understand that. So we were like, let's just try and attempt that because you wanted to learn that. Let's learn it by doing it. Learn it by doing it. Let's just do it. अभी क्या कूद जाते हैं, अभी क्या ही है मतलब, and we have nothing to lose. एक तो हमारा ही होता है ना outsiders का जो लोग बोलते हैं, we have nothing to lose. Really, हमारे लिए क्या किया, let's just go in the fire. Like we are not scared of anything.
Yeah, if you keep thinking about it, the moment will never come. Let's try. Even if you fail also,
let's not think about
okay.
it. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's try. क्या ही होगा? हम रोज तो fail होते हैं यार. We like in the auditions, you really hardly get like 1,000 में से 5-10 मिलते हैं. You just
10 you audition, you get 1, or
really
20 you audition, you get
बहुत less
2 or 1.
percentage.
Yeah.
But so we are like rejections हमारे लिए ऐसे ना कि that's nothing to lose. Yeah, let's just do it. तो मैंने लगा कि let's just create something on our own. Let's just say our own voice. उसमें production भी involved होगा, तो how we manage that we have to understand. Let's go for it. And then we have started doing our own first story. So I was like, I'm also into the meditation. One day I was absolutely sitting in the stillness. Then the whispers came from the eternity. That is why we have
kept the name
of the
Whispers
company
from
is
Eternity.
Whispers from the Eternity. And in one go, I finished writing the whole first short film. In like one go. I haven't edited anything. It really came to me. I started writing. I just don't know how to write. I have never done any course. I don't know how characters. So I started writing a character. The character started speaking to that other character. And they started speaking. So now, after like midway, they were telling me how they are talking. They started communicating with each other, and I was like, I'm a very good imaginative, I think I'm a good storyteller also. I just believe that. So,
Everybody loves, all the friends love you because they get good stories. And I
so
always
that-
keep telling, why don't you write? Why don't you even direct also? You're
But
really
you
good
are.
in that.
So it just
आप
happened.
बन तो गए हो डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर
I mean producers बन गया हूँ producer बन चुका हूँ.
राइटर भी अब आप लिख चुके हो ऑफिशियली शॉर्ट फिल्म तो
Correct. So यार वो फिनिश कर दिया, वो पूरा फिनिश करने के बाद ना कि यार let's just make this film. And for her when Alangrita comes in any picture, she wants to show that film beautiful. That's her vibration.
Aesthetically.
That's her aura, that the film needs to, every frame needs to look expansive, beautiful, aesthetic. So I was like, we have very less budget, how to do that? Like, let's just, if not outside India, let's do it in India. In India, the landscape, that wide landscape is only in Ladakh, where we can show the expansiveness of this film. Because in the first film, we were showing that divine romance comes without attachment. That was the subject of that film. यार प्यार में है ना, मतलब जो रियल जो सुप्रीम वाला प्यार होता है ना, उसके अंदर अटैचमेंट नहीं होता. तो ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट था एकदम ही बाउंसर था, मतलब सबके लिए, मतलब हमारे
And
लिए भी.
imagine we have done this process in a week timing. You know, he just told him we have to write, and we're like, I want to shoot. He wants to write, I want to shoot. Okay, let's do it. And that happened very quickly within a week. And the people we know, we're like, Abhi, let's create the team. Like, it was like we knew people, like, you know, when we have worked with so many people. We knew that we want to work with this guy, this creative person, this is going to be the camera person, this is going to be the designer. We knew the team. And suddenly, when universe says, let's go, let's do this, when things fall into place, everybody was available. And within a week, we have decided, let's shoot, let's go to Ladakh, find the location. And tourism also helped us. Ladakh tourism reached out to everyone. Suddenly, everybody was saying yes to us. And that's when we knew that this is the right direction we are going.
Yeah, somehow when you start putting energy in a project, it gets magnetized.
Yeah.
And that magnetic energy, magnetize the people. And that's how it becomes a project. Yeah. Like, it has become a magnetic project, and quickly we shot the film, and we were like, यार ये तो हम खुद के लिए बना रहे हैं, हम YouTube पे रिलीज कर देंगे, अभी बना देते हैं खुद हमारे लिए, मतलब हमें कौन ही हमारी फिल्म लेगा. And then we pitched this film to every OTT platform, and Disney Plus Hotstar picked this film and released it on their platform, and it got like 5 million views in 1 month. We were like, something happened, I mean, लोगों तक बात पहुंच गई है, एक ऑनेस्टी, एक सच्चाई की, मतलब हम भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. लाइक देयर इज नो पावर इन द इंडस्ट्री. हम बोलते हैं ना यार वही लोग काम दे सकते हैं. आई मीन द पावर इज इन द हैंड्स ऑफ पीपल, है ना. यू जस्ट कैन, यू डोंट नीड टू बी स्कैर्ड, डू नॉट बी अफ्रेड. इट्स गोइंग टू बी एक्सट्रीमली डिफिकल्ट. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स गोइंग टू बी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज यू हैव चोज टू टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन, यू हैव सो यू एम फॉर दैट. तो हमने ख़त्म कर दिया. हमने बोला कि भाई इफ़ वी कैन डू दिस, वी कैन डू द फीचर फिल्म एज वेल. Now let's just
like
aim
testing the water,
big.
where we stand also. Instead of jumping into a whole little feature film, you have to also see. You cannot be just like dreaming and just go aim big. You have to also be practical sometime. You have to know that, okay, if I can do this, just achieve small success at a time, small goal at a time, and do it really good until that is like completely fine with it. You know that, okay, I can really do it. Then jump into the next goal. That's how, like Tarantino also said.
That is the
You don't need to know how to make the film, or you don't have to know anything. You just have to love the filmmaking. You need to love what are you doing.
That spark has given it to you, yeah. Now that has been given it to you, what you gonna do about that? That spark will become anxiety if you will not act on it. That power will become, it will put you down because it's telling you just move, do something about it. It has been given it to you. It has been implanted
Let's
to you.
act on it. Yeah.
आप लोग की बातें सुन के मुझे लगता है इसीलिए आपकी शॉर्ट फिल्में हो या फीचर फिल्में हो, डिविनिटी और इटर्निटी और बियॉन्ड द रेल्म्स की बात होती है. बोथ ऑफ यू बिलीव इन द पावर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स पर से, है ना. दोनों आई थिंक आर क्लियरली बिलीव इन दैट, एंड ऑल्सो बिलीव इन द फैक्ट दैट it is possible to have that one soulmate forever and for eternity. बात सही कह रही हूँ ना मैं?
Of course, there is.
यही क्या आपका थिंकिंग अबाउट लव एंड रोमांस भी इस तरह का है जो आप फिल्म में दर्शा रहे हो? क्योंकि अनरियलिस्टिक कुछ लोगों को लग सकती है, पर वही तो सपना है ना. ड्रीम्स यूजुअली लुक अनरियलिस्टिक बट सम पीपल गेट इट.
Yeah, we just feel that you have to work 100%. Like to आप मेहनत करो, but end of the day you have to also surrender it to God. Let Him also do the magic. Like if you just keep working and don't believe anything about the magic or isn't it, then universe will also not come and tell you, help you.
Right.
Where to. Don't show you the goal कि कहाँ पे आपको पहुँचना है. You just work 100% and leave it to the universe, and the magic will happen.
तो दोनों के लिए प्यार और रोमांस की परिभाषा क्या है दोनों के लिए?
हाँ, बट जहाँ तक लव की बात है, आई थिंक ये जो हमने फिल्म में दिखाया, इन द फिल्म ना, दैट हैज बीन गिवन इट टू अस लाइक दैट लव इज लाइक बियॉन्ड ब्यूटिफुल. दैट इज अ वाइब्रेशन. व्हेन यू रियली लव समबडी ना, यू आर नॉट रियली, देयर इज नो बाउंड्रीज इन दैट लव. There is no condition in that love, in a way, in a very positive way, and there is no attachment in that love, because that's what I'm really inspired by the Radha.
There is commitment but no attachment.
Absolutely commitment.
जी.
Eternal commitment of love, of uplifting each other. Attachment लोग गलत समझ लेते हैं कि यार प्यार नहीं होगा तो attachment कैसे होगा यार, हम दोनों. The people
Possessive नहीं होते आप.
who are putting each other down, I need this person. I know that emotion really is, but people think love is. We are showing that really the divine love comes without that. Comes
कि you
without
respect
that.
each other, you uplift each other, you see the best in each other.
Yeah.
तो आपकी क्या राय है प्यार और मोहब्बत के बारे में in real life? Because you all are people, you all go through it. What is your idea of it?
Idea of love. I think love is the most simple thing anybody could imagine. It is a simple thing. It's love for me, just like doing simple things. If somebody is not well, just offering him a medicine, or if you are thirsty, I'm giving you water. I'm thinking about you unconsciously also, or just calling you up someday and just checking in. These are small things that for make me, thoughtfulness, and you don't have to do just big gesture, and you have to buy this things, do that. Of course, that adds on. I wouldn't say it doesn't, but of course, but if the small thing, if it doesn't matter to you, I don't think the big gesture or anything would matter.
आपने बिग जेस्चर की बात की. आप लोगों के लिए कभी आपके रिलेशनशिप में किसी ने बहुत बड़ा कुछ जेस्चर किया हो? लाइक दे से ना, प्यार में कभी कुछ ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं जैसे दीवानों की तरह प्यार दिखाने में, एंड दे डू इट इन देयर ओन वे. गिव मी एन एग्जांपल. आपकी इंडिविजुअल कहानियों के बारे में. हैव यू हैड समबडी और हैव यू डन समथिंग रियली स्वीट और क्रेजी इन लव?
Yeah, I mean, I believe the love, acceptance, vibration, when we are both in the same vibration and we are both evolving in the same frequency, then we are always harmonious and together, right? और मुझे लगता है ना, बहुत सटल चीज़ें मैं ऐसे दिखाता नहीं हूँ. आई एम नॉट वेरी इमोटिव. आई एम रियली सटल विद माई लव, एंड आई एम गोना just from within, I'm gonna love that person so much that without even saying anything, that person will know. That sort of love for me, I don't want to really tell that, अरे यार मैं तो तुमसे रोज बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, and I
जिसे उन्होंने कहा thoughtfulness maybe.
यार मतलब how that really, that true love comes, from within. I just, when I love somebody, that person will know if that person is not even around. That person is not even around. I'm gonna just send them that such, the lovely vibrations. Now that person like, yeah, I can feel like this is what the real love, what I'm really feeling.
Alankrita?
That is what love for me. I don't know.
Let's hear it from Alankrita.
ये Alankrita से business के बारे में पूछो. ये love का गलत subject है. I mean, Alankrita is very expert.
But I think you can be a businesswoman and you can be romantic. क्यों?
Yeah, I think
why not? For everybody else, besides being a businesswoman, it is okay. It is okay, and she's a massive Korean drama lover, Korean romances lover. We all love Korean dramas.
Yeah.
That's why she put that energy in our film. When we are shooting that film now, and we are discussing about the production, she's like, we have to go to Switzerland to shoot this film. I was like,
and he was
are you serious?
From Ladakh to Switzerland?
मैंने बोला कि यार मतलब what are you talking about? Like it's really not practical. What are you saying? I know. She sets the goal so high. I mean, in our team now, she sets the goal, and I execute them. I plan them. I strategize them. कि यार अब बोला Switzerland में बोला कि अरे ये क्या बोल दिया मतलब how to execute that? Like what? It's so difficult as a young producers. I mean, it's very difficult.
And with tight budgets and
in conventional way, it's very difficult. You have to pitch your story to the producers. एंड उनको बताओगे ना कि यार यू आर द एक्टर इन इट कि अच्छा कुछ बोलूं ना
Yeah, you're doing
मतलब
everything
तू
on your own,
मतलब
the
एक्टर
production, the
खुद की फिल्म
acting,
में
the
एंड तू
show
चाहते कि
running.
आई एम गोना पुट मनी ऑन यू दैट्स
Yeah.
वेरी स्टूपिड आइडिया प्लीज डोंट कम टू मी
Yeah.
so even the story is nice nobody believes in you that's what exactly it is but yeah then we were like if you don't believe in us we believe in ourselves we're gonna do it anyway I know it's going to be difficult but yeah Switzerland because of the same thing the vastness and the beautiful frames I was like if we're going to make films now we're going to make the films in that beauty because the ideas are like that the stories automatically is that refined and that it can be only shot in like the higher
Refined places.
Yeah, very refined places.
Because also love beyond realms. He was saying, I'm like, why don't we go somewhere
We were, like,
beyond
scouting
realms?
for
And he
the
was just
one,
like,
yeah.
where do you thinking? Whenever I'm trying to say something, don't think big. This is too much. This is like, let's be here. Let's do something. I'm saying, no, this is the time we should move forward. We should also advance our thing from Ladakh. We can, of course,
Yeah.
think about
the idea is
Switzerland.
you have to go to that refinedness
Yes.
ये बोला कि ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब
It's not
because we
because,
want to
yeah.
travel to Switzerland या यूरोप जाना ये नहीं है the idea ना that idea is showing every frame ना मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है यार क्या बनाया इन लोगों ने feel good यार मतलब बहुत तो सुंदर क्या बातें भी अच्छी कर रहे
और
हैं
एपिक रोमांस शूट हुए स्विट्जरलैंड में स्टार्टिंग विद DDLG
Oh yeah, we are a
Switzerland
huge
means
fan
Yash Raj, yeah.
of Yash Raj ji. I mean, I am a huge fan. मेरा बचपन उन्होंने बदल दिया है मतलब वो मुझे पता है ना वो स्टोरी इतनी कमाल की है और अगर वो वास्टनेस दिखाई देती है ना और उनकी पूरा यशराज लाइक हिज सन एंड क्या कमाल DDLJ यार मतलब वो DDLJ वो एक फीलिंग है यार मतलब मुझे इतना मतलब वो फिल्म देख करके ना वो आज तक एक पीस ऑफ इमोशन वो जो दिल में है ना इतना खुश कर देता है आपको
And the most interesting part is that when we were shooting in Switzerland, the people of Swiss people asked, "Are you shooting the DLJ Part 2? Are you Raj Simran Part 2?" I'm like, no, this is different film. And they were like, "Oh, Raj Simran Part 2." I'm like, no, it's not. But they have the very
वही
strong
प्यार दो
memory.
हमें।
Yeah, they have the strong memory. Maybe we are this
Yeah.
generation. That kind of love we can emote it. I don't know.
But
Yeah.
but you know when you are absolutely convinced on the story, we have pitched that story to everybody. They said no. After like 1,000 rejection, finally we're like let's just why don't we go to the Switzerland government only? Let's talk to the tourism only. Because anyway we are shooting the film there. Like let's just aim now big. हर जगह से तो मना ही कर रहे हैं ना. What gonna happen? They're gonna say no. एक और rejection हो जाएगा. They're like let's just do this. We have started writing them emails कि यार क्या ये सब मतलब 1000 emails ने भेज दिए मैंने 1000 calls कर दिए. They were like message आया उसे कि क्या चाहिए क्या मतलब क्या हो गया what are you why you guys irritating us like we have reached out to them and we were like this is the story we want to make like कि क्या कहाँ से आए हो who you guys are मतलब what is this like we have made this film you just see this short film and this is the story and we want to shoot there they saw the film they were like यार something happened like they were like कि ठीक है कि नहीं यार नहीं हम नहीं करेंगे support and all that है ना you know we're gonna watch the film and we're gonna get back to you literally rejected us again and then we left for our house we again like sad yaar कि कुछ नहीं हुआ got a call from her we saw your film we felt good we want to co-produce this film we want to really help you like we want to become a
And we
tourism
wanted like
partner
few
in that.
help. We never thought that for co-producing part or it would help to the entire thing. We just wanted small things, and he was just like, why aim small? Like you can get. We want to co-produce this film. We want to help more. We have more ideas and this and that,
Yeah.
and that really helped us. When nobody believed us. That's a time when Switzerland really
Yeah.
went out of the way to support us. Like,
I mean, something happened in that meeting, because we were also aligned. Na, itne rejection ke baad, we knew that now
what to say, what the right
what to
words
say
were
to
the
this
right-
person. It's just to tell her that this is my heart. You feel that, I was transferring and airdropping my heart to her, literally, and that heart has been airdropped to her, and she was like, oh, I'm feeling so good. I want to do this film. That really happened. That she understood the vibration now.
And then of course NFDC India, and then of course मतलब हम बोल रहे थे thinking big. Then you all went to Toronto Film Festival. Massive, yeah.
यार मतलब इतनी अनकन्वेंशनल स्टोरी है ना हमने सोचा नहीं था कि जैसे हमने बताया ना that's the aim of our company, aim of our this
Swiss Post
little
Community Films.
this kind of go like idea that one step at a time. Every day na nothing gonna happen. You just put energy there and the concept is it's gonna magnetize. एक दिन इतना खतरनाक मैग्नेटिज्म बन जाएगा ना कि यार स्विट्जरलैंड टूरिज्म भी आएगा NFTC भी आएगा द पीपल गोना कम बट एवरी डे ना नथिंग गोना हैपन बट यू पुट द एनर्जी एवरी डे ऑल डे एवरी डे
Yeah, the perseverance needs to be there. You have to keep working. You cannot stop it. When people are not believing, it's okay. But you believe in yourself. You need to have that kind of self-assurance that, okay, leave other world. If you know that, the magic will happen. You have to
And-
work really hard for that.
And we forget we are actors in the film. See,
Yeah.
we're talking like a producer, so you know, that comes
keep
to us.
switching.
We
And
keep
sometimes we
switching.
feel
Now
each
let's
other,
talk
no?
as an actor. You
Yeah.
know what we have done, what about love, and
चलो
let's just
चलो
talk about
एक्टर्स
that.
को पूछते हैं
ठीक
ये
है.
कि आई थिंक हमें तो प्यार होता है हिंदी फिल्म रोमांसेस से, एक्चुअली इंडियन फिल्म रोमांसेस से, क्यों हिंदी सिर्फ क्यों, बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस हैं, प्यारी प्यारी कहानियाँ और प्यारी प्यारी लव स्टोरीज हैं. सो टेल मी ऐसे कौन सी कुछ लव स्टोरीज थे और कुछ एक्टर्स थे जब आपने उनकी फिल्में देखी तो आपको उनसे ही प्यार हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ द वे दे आर एंड हाउ दे एक्टेड.
So for me, recent Laila Majnu.
हाँ,
पता क्या
good
हुआ
one.
कि because I support and I love these ideas the moment the film came on screen, and I was there and nobody was sitting in the theater. I was like, भाई क्या हो रहा है, मतलब new film, and I watched the film and I was like, oh
It's
my
beautiful.
God, what they did. मैंने बोला कि यार इस बंदे से अच्छा एक्टर है ना, मुझे नहीं लगता अभी इस इंडस्ट्री में कोई हो सकता है. How they have performed at this guy.
Both the actors.
Even both the actors, yeah. Both the actors, like, oh, I was like, I haven't seen this sort of a cinema बहुत टाइम से. और फिर मैंने देखा कि यार एक भी ऑडियंस नहीं आई है, लोग नहीं देख रहे हैं. फिर अगले दिन मैं मम्मी को लेके गया, पापा को लेके गया, अलंकृता को लेके गया, अलंकृता अपनी फैमिली को लेके गई, हम सब लोग गए, फिर लोगों को लेके गए. हमने बोला कि यार जब भी जा रहे हैं ना हम हो रहे हैं कि लोग क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं.
We don't
ऐसे ही.
support these kind of people, and what
मतलब-
are we expecting for ourselves also?
बिल्कुल.
No?
What a piece of art. But वो जो मैंने बोला भाई प्लीज सबको, मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे ना यार ये फिल्म देखो प्लीज, ये क्या बना दिया उन लोगों ने. I mean, this is a magic, miraculous story. I'm really inspired by that story and I really want to create something like that, and I've tried in Tara Nakash. But yeah, I mean that's magical. उससे पहले अब बता दिया मैंने DDLJ जो.
तो आप आई एम अज्यूमिंग you're also a शाहरुख fan then.
I'm a super शाहरुख फैन, बट बचपन में है ना मैं सलमान फैन था बहुत स्ट्रांगली. मतलब पता नहीं क्यों. और मतलब मुझे ना इतना ज़्यादा प्यार था ना सलमान, अभी भी है बहुत
अभी भी?
strongly. मतलब
प्यार था,
पहले तो
ये
मैं
सही
पागल
है।
था. मतलब पहले तो मैं पागल था कि यार मुझे लगता था ना कि बस यार एक बार ना उनसे मिल लूँ, एक बार हक कर लूँ. पता नहीं यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना ही इज़ माई समथिंग वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड. और पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो, इट वाज सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन विद हिम ना, बिकॉज मैंने प्यार किया, हम आपके हैं कौन और हम दिल दे चुके सनम. मैंने बोला यार क्या, व्हाट इज दिस गाय, आई मीन आई लव दिस गाय एंड व्हाट इज दिस कैरेक्टर्स. आई मीन
तो जब बड़े हुए फिर क्या हुआ?
या बड़े हुए और प्यार बढ़ता गया, बट प्यार थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो गया. और धीरे धीरे सलमान सर के अलावा शाहरुख सर का समझ में आया कि व्हाट इज दिस ऑरा लाइक, व्हाट वाज हिज हाउस हिज वाइब्रेशन, द लव एंड the beauty in his conversation, like how elegant this man is. What a beautiful idea. So I love them both now, but yeah.
अलंकृता, सवाल आप पे है.
She's like, I didn't watch films.
No.
ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, कुछ तो होंगे.
Yeah, like very less.
Somewhere I
though,
turned
you know.
pretty.
Everybody calls me that. Team Conrad, Team Jeremiah. I'm like, we're also discussing this all the time. But
अच्छा,
yeah.
बताओ, please. Tell.
I am Ritik's fan. Like, you know,
Okay.
I love him. His body, his looks, the way he dances, and
कहो ना प्यार.
yeah, Kaho Na Pyar Hai.
भाई मैं अपनी fan कहूँ ना.
Krish and
Crazy.
Dhoom and Jodha Akbar also with Aishwarya Rai.
Yeah. Jodha Akbar,
Charming.
I was in the shooting to see कि Hrithik Roshan.
हाँ, because
आया
it
और
happened
देखने
in
के लिए.
Jaipur, no?
Oh yeah, you saw?
I saw him and I was like, wow, क्या भाई, मुझे भी फिल्म बनानी है, मुझे भी एक्टर बनना है यार. What is these guys?
How lovely.
Yeah.
So fascinating to see the film set, the acting, the love for the cinema ना कि यार ये I want to be a part of this.
अब मैनिफेस्टेशन की बात चली रही है जब
जी,
यूनिवर्स
जी,
की वाइब्स
बताइए.
वगैरह की, तो आई थिंक अब समय आता है कि हम कुछ मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं आपको पूछूं कि अगर दो ऐसे नाम जिसके साथ आप मतलब हर दिन ये सोचते हो कि कभी ना कभी मुझे कोलैबोरेट करना है, कोई भी हो सकता है, एक्टर, डायरेक्टर, मेल, फीमेल, एनीवन,
Okay.
एनी जेंडर, who would that person be from the Indian film industry and why?
Okay. I want to collaborate with Imtiaz Ali, and I'm
Good one.
seeing that dream that he wanna cast me one day in Radha and Krishna story. He's gonna cast me as a Krishna because I want to play that character. I mean, it's just love itself. It's just love itself. So I want to, and he understands so deeply now. So deeply,
He's very
nobody could.
spiritual.
He's like on another level. It's not, yeah. He's so deeply philosophical. His stories are like, ऊपर से इतने से और नीचे से इतना बड़ा mountain है ना अंदर.
I
जो
just
कि-
wish he sees our film.
I mean,
Yeah.
I pray
Anakash.
that,
Yeah,
please,
watch his
sir,
film.
if you're watching this, प्लीज वॉच आवर फिल्म.
Yeah.
यहाँ बोलूँ क्या? प्लीज वॉच आवर फिल्म तारा नकाश एंड प्लीज हमने ना आपके प्यार और आपकी फिल्मों से इंस्पायर होकर के फिल्म बनाई है. तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी फेयर इफ यू गोना वॉच दिस फिल्म. आई मीन वी गोना रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट. या
We're going to tag Imtiaz in this for sure. What about you?
Joya Akhtar, Farhan Akhtar.
Joya
Oh
Akhtar, I
God. And Sanjay Leela Bhansali also.
Of course.
Because the way, the expansiveness, the beauty, the gorgeous set, because I am more inclined towards it. Of course, acting is for sure, you know,
Yeah.
you have to perform that. But the kind of portrait they make it, no? Like Joya Akhtar that goes out of the way, like go to different countries and shoot different kind of films. And I really love the way both of them, you know, I really want to work with both.
Wonderful. I
Yeah.
hope it happens.
I would work with Suhana Khan also. I think she has something which I haven't come out. I mean, she has.
Oh, you
such-
saw that short film of hers?
I haven't seen the short film, but I think she has it. Like
Suhana.
she has that spark. You know, it's just gonna come out. The people gonna watch it. Like she has that spark.
Ah, fantastic. Okay.
Yeah.
तो हम बात कर रहे हैं प्यार मोहब्बत की, आपकी जर्नीज की. अब रिलेशनशिप्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो आज के ज़माने में आपको हमेशा सुनाई देता है कि इसका ये रेड फ्लैग है और इसका ये ग्रीन फ्लैग है, हमको ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. तो हम एक छोटा सा एक सेगमेंट करते हैं. बहुत आसान है. सेगमेंट का नाम है रेड फ्लैग ग्रीन फ्लैग.
Red flag, green
मैं
flag.
आपको एक स्टेटमेंट बताऊंगी, आपको मुझे बताना है आपके अनुसार क्या वो एक रेड फ्लैग क्वालिटी है, ये जो स्टेटमेंट बता रही हूँ, क्या ये वो ग्रीन फ्लैग है. सिंपल.
ठीक है.
Okay, done.
ठीक है जी.
आर यू रेडी?
We are
Yes.
ready. Let's
ठीक
do
है.
it.
Who wants to go first? You want to go like this?
We can go like together. We can answer or she.
No,
अच्छा,
समझ
चलो,
में नहीं
ठीक
है. एक एक करके आंसर करना
तो
पड़ेगा.
I can start, yeah.
Okay,
हाँ,
Alankrita, you'll give your answer first and then Jitesh. All right, here we go. Not having any kind of social media imprints when your partner meets you. If your partner tells you that they don't have any kind of social media imprints, कोई Instagram account नहीं है, कोई Facebook
Red
नहीं
flag.
है.
No
क्यों?
doubt about it. Arey, I want to know the person, yeah, apart from, because everybody you meet show the best version of themselves. I have to know, like, you know, क्या करता है, क्या interest है उनका, और क्यों इतना, why are you hiding so much? What is it? I'm not asking you to be like a blogger or say everything, but at least something, no, like at least something he needs to
तो
have.
आपको शक होगा कि ये
Yeah, क्या ऐसा क्या है, क्या छुपा रहे हो आप, मतलब?
अच्छा ठीक है.
So for me, if that person, he's saying question का आंसर दो ना?
जी, जी,
If that
बिल्कुल.
person living in the world, she or he must be like hiding that, you know, they are not on the social media. So it's a big red flag. But depending, I mean, that person is like absolutely engrossed in some creation, maybe a scientist or a director or crazy guy who doesn't have a social media because he's absolutely engrossed in that, you know, crazy idea. Then it's a big green flag for me.
ठीक है. तो एक सिचुएशन के अनुसार आप
Of
बता
course.
सकते हो वो.
Yeah. सच बोल रहे हैं तो फिर ग्रीन फ्लैग है, झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो फिर रेड फ्लैग है.
हाँ, बट आपको पता ही नहीं होगा ना जब आप
पता नहीं
पहली
होगा
बार
तभी
मिलेगा.
मतलब बोलो ना if
अरे
that
यार,
person
what's
is
the
gonna
best version
if that
of themselves?
person is
You will
gonna
never
reflecting being in the world ना then that person is lying. यार छोटा हिडन अकाउंट होगा.
तो आपको लग रहा है पहले अगर कोई आके बोले तो शक तो होगा आपको
ऑफ
भी.
कोर्स होगा.
ठीक है. ओके. नंबर 2, आपके पार्टनर आपके लिए कोई भी बड़े रोमांटिक जेस्चर्स नहीं करते, जैसे आप बोल रहे थे, जैसे कि कोई सरप्राइज नहीं देगा या कोई गिफ्ट नहीं, उनको कहना यही है पर मैं रियल हूँ, ये वो. तो क्या आपके लिए इट्स ओके अगर आपके पार्टनर्स कुछ स्पेशल चीजें ना करे या कभी गिफ्ट्स ना दे या सरप्राइज ना प्लान करे?
यार ओके नहीं है. आई थिंक दैट पर्सन हैज टू डू एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट. कुछ तो स्पार्क होना चाहिए ना यार. मतलब कुछ ये जो होता है ना, छोटा चाहे बड़ा ना हो, छोटा भी हो, बड़ा हो तो और अमेजिंग है.
How cute.
So yeah, that has to happen, you know. That needs to, the relationship needs to have that spark, you know, every time, again and again, again and again.
वो laziness
so
नहीं
वो
होना चाहिए.
मजा, because you know वो relationship है ना, एक laziness की तरफ जा जाता है, effort कम हो जाते हैं, फिर
Yeah.
दूर जाता
If you
है,
don't
फिर
see
तेरा
that
is gonna
kind of
go
effort he
down.
is not putting into the
I mean,
relationship, then it's no point.
Putting in effort is important for
Yeah,
me.
we are not asking very big, but at least something. No, you have
आपके
to
लिए
show
भी.
that. Yeah,
Same.
of course. You
Same
have to
answer.
make me feel special.
हाँ, तो अगर ऐसा बंदा बोल रहा है कि ये मेरी आदत ही है, मैं ना ये सब चीज़ नहीं करता, मैं दिल से मानता हूँ, तो आपको शक
तो
लगेगा.
आप अपने साथ ही रहो ना दिल से.
मैंने बोला था ऐसा. मैंने बोला.
आप अपने साथ ही रहो. मुझे मैं क्या करूँ आगे? There is no point. You have to show some extra skills of yours.
फिर आप क्या बोल रहे थे?
मैंने बोला, मैंने ऐसे बोला था मैं वाइब्रेशंस भेजता हूँ, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं उसके जाकर के उनको सरप्राइज नहीं करता, प्यार नहीं करता, या
आप वो भी करते हो,
या आई एम जस्ट गोना गो आउट ऑफ द वे फॉर देम.
ओके. जब आपका पार्टनर आपको बोले कि बहुत बिजी है एंड दे से दैट दे कांट रिप्लाई टू यू इमीडिएटली, आपके टेक्स्ट को बहुत लेट रिप्लाई करते हैं या इग्नोर करते हैं, भूल जाते हैं, तो ये आपके लिए एक रेड फ्लैग क्वालिटी है, क्वालिटी बोला मैंने, क्या
Red
रेड
flag.
फ्लैग है आपके लिए अलंकृता?
Red flag, completely.
क्यों?
क्यों? Because if I'm messaging you, you need to reply me. Of course, I know if you're busy or something, मुझे बता दो कि you are going there or something. Or if you messaging me at least half an hour, one, I cannot just wait for you the entire day कि सुबह मैसेज के दिया रात को आपका रिप्लाई आ रहा है. आप क्या, कोई भी इंसान I don't think is that busy not to, how many seconds does it take to just reply I'm busy or I'll call you back or I will just say something. It just take few seconds, and if you don't have a few seconds for me, what am I doing in your life?
Okay.
Red flag for me too, because I've seen people, the people who are absolutely organized and disciplined, no matter how much they are working, they reply you quickly in a
Yeah.
seconds. You see, I mean, now after working on this production house for a long time, the people who are sitting on the top positions, CEO and MDs, they'll reply you in 5 seconds. But the people are, not organized and sitting on the lower positions, they were like, message ka kya reply karo.
They value
So
time.
that way,
Time is energy. If you're giving somebody's time, you're valuing their energy.
that
So
shows
that's,
the love, affection, and that shows about that person also. कि यार ये क्या sorted बंदा है ना, जल्दी reply कर रहा है, decision ले रहा है, quick decision making. I like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो आपके लिए अगर कोई आके ऐसा करे तो आप obviously आपको लिए वो सही
हाँ,
नहीं
मतलब मैं red flag उसको भेज दूंगा, red flag है भाई.
ओके. आपके पार्टनर ने आपका उनकी लाइफ की पूरी कहानी नहीं बताई है, नॉट टेलिंग दिस होल स्टोरी टू यू और मेंशनिंग अबाउट देयर एक्सेस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, जस्ट रिफ्यूजिंग टू काइंड ऑफ टॉक अबाउट देयर पास्ट लाइफ एट ऑल. अब ये आपके लिए रेड फ्लैग है या ग्रीन फ्लैग?
I think for me it's red flag. I want to know what happened. You don't have to say entire everything I need to know. But आप मुझे बताओ कि तो क्या हुआ. Will I need to? I'll also judge that person. Why he broke up and why that relationship didn't work out. Maybe it's not about his fault. Maybe the other person's fault also. But I would like to know if I'm dating someone. I need to know what type of person he is.
I mean, I will give that person a time.
Yeah.
How when she wants to open up little slow. I mean, she can take her time, but she has to tell. It's going to be really great because the connection, it's very rooted on the ground. If that connection is not there, that means there's no base. Then there is a high acceptance. Now you'll understand each other because that's like even the greatest saints are sinners. So yeah.
तो रेड फ्लैग.
Yeah. नहीं, मेरे लिए green flag है. But
आपके लिए green
मेरे लिए
flag
green
है?
flag है because I'm saying I'm going to give that
Okay.
person time to open up.
अच्छा, ओके.
Yeah.
If your partner has cheated in their previous relationships and has told you honestly, is this a red flag? Is this a green flag?
Green flag. Because he told me about it. Yeah, he explained me. It's okay then.
Yeah, for me also, if because we do mistakes
Yeah,
and it happens,
it's just-
Now, I mean, I'm on that level that I will not really, I like honesty, I really enjoy
Yeah.
that, If that person is really opening up and saying that this has been done, and I was like, I will accept that.
Okay, very good answers. Look at you all. All right. If your partner has too many friends of belonging to the opposite sex, कि बहुत सारे दूसरे जेंडर के दोस्त हैं, और तो ये क्या रेड फ्लैग में आता है या ग्रीन फ्लैग में?
I think it depends how your friends it. It's not should be like too touchy or too much calling. No.
Touchy.
Yeah, it's just
Baby,
like you.
touch me,
It's okay. Yeah, you need to have some kind
Boundaries
of
होना चाहिए.
boundaries होना चाहिए. We all have friends. It's okay, but how kind of like क्या है? I need to know about the
अलंकृता,
history. Yeah.
अलंकृता मुझे लग रहा है फिर आपके लिए रेड फ्लैग है.
मेरे लिए ग्रीन फ्लैग है. फ्रेंड्स का डेफिनेशन ये होता है कि भाई there's no thing, there's a difference between lover and friends. If they have too
हम
many
इस
friends
जमाने की बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स
with अगर benefit है तो प्रॉब्लम है. अगर friends with benefit है बहुत सारे तो फिर that's going to be a big problem.
nobody will say it. So that's why the question is
Yeah,
again.
Yeah,
I mean-
like what
I mean-
touchy or not touchy, what I'm trying to say. It's very direct. What kind of
मतलब
friends? Yeah.
वैसे अगर there are a lot of my exes had a lot of friends, then I had no problem. But I did not felt like there's a touchy thing when there was
Now he started speaking my
that's
language.
it. There was no benefit.
तो
I could
आपके लिए
feel it.
green flag है
मेरे लिए
आपको?
green flag है, कोई मुझे नहीं
प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
पसंद.
ओके,
Yeah.
कूल. ओके, द लास्ट वन इज, अगर आपके पार्टनर आप उनके दोस्त या लोगों के सामने पब्लिकली जोक करते हुए आपका मजाक उड़ाए कि आपके ऊपर जोक्स क्रैक कर रहे हैं पब्लिकली कि अरे यार ये तो जस्ट जोक है, तो ये आपके लिए एक रेड फ्लैग क्वालिटी है कि ये ग्रीन फ्लैग है?
मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ। रेड फ्लैग है, सुपर रेड फ्लैग कि यार मतलब किसी को है ना, पार्टनर क्या किसी और के बारे में भी कोई उसको डाउन करे ना सबके सामने, अगर जोक मार के, अगर यू नो नॉट रियली अपलिफ्टिंग दैट पर्सन, यू आर रियली पुटिंग देम डाउन, दैट्स अ सुपर रेड फ्लैग. एंड यू नो द jealousy and the problem starts with the joke. You'll know that person is like you, so you be careful with the jokes what they are saying. That means what they feel about you.
Yeah.
So it's really
It's a red flag
bad
for me as well.
thing for me.
You know the intention, like why he's doing all such kind of things.
अरे देखो ये तो प्रोड्यूसर बन गए, so like
Yeah.
that, you know, if that's a joke you're putting on me, that means you don't really respect my work.
Yeah.
You don't really respect my efforts. You don't understand that, you know, प्रोड्यूसर बनने का क्या मतलब है. You know, we never wanted to, you know, we wanted to say our stories.
Yeah.
हमारी कहानी बोलने के लिए ना, you have
We
to
have
produce
to-
that
yeah,
film.
you have
अपनी
to
कहानी,
become-
आपका कन्विक्शन अगर आपको दिखा रहा है ना, you have to say that.
Yeah.
आई लव द पैशन बोथ ऑफ यू हैव, इसीलिए ये कहानी आप जैसे लोग ही बना सकते हैं कि नहीं? एंड कितनी बारीकी से रिलेशनशिप्स को समझते हैं. सो दिस इज अ गुड एग्जांपल. आई होप यू ऑल हैड फन.
Super fun. Yeah, thank you so much for
लास्ट
making.
सेगमेंट में आने वाले हैं.
अच्छा,
इतना
चलिए.
जल्दी नहीं जाने दूंगा. थैंक यू. एंड में बोला बड़ा.
Thank you.
ओके, दिस इज द लास्ट सेगमेंट. अब
Okay.
ये फटाफट वाला आंसर है.
Okay.
जी.
फ्यू वर्ड्स व्हाटएवर, ये आपके बारे में है.
Okay.
फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड यू विल हैव टू से. रितेश, अलंकृता ने शुरुआत की थी, अब आपसे शुरुआत करते हुए नेक्स्ट अलंकृता विल से.
जी.
ओके, ये आप लोगों के बारे में है. फन क्वेश्चंस. आर यू रेडी?
I'm ready.
व्हाट इज द डील ब्रेकर फॉर यू इन अ रिलेशनशिप?
Dishonesty.
Cheating?
अ रूमर अबाउट योरसेल्फ दैट मेक्स यू लाफ.
ये तो यार मुझे रूमर्स तो मेरे बारे में क्या ही है कि दिस गाय इज सुपर रिच.
उनको लगता है कि
हाँ यार, वो
बहुत
तो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं ना, तो उसको लगता है कि पैसे वाले होते हैं ना, खुद के पैसे डाल देते हैं. दे डोंट नो द प्रोडक्शन
इतने कठिनाइयों से पैसा जमा किया गया
यार
है.
मतलब बहुत मुश्किल से, और बहुत अलग अलग इन्वेस्टर्स भी होते हैं, है ना.
कोलैबोरेशन करके
Collaboration
बन
होता
रहा है
है.
ये फिल्म.
Yeah.
लेट्स हियर.
Vanity, proudy, bossy, बहुत ज़्यादा. I have a list of things that people think about me. Yeah.
Okay. What is the easiest way to win your heart? कुछ ऐसी qualities या ऐसे कुछ तरीके से, you know, what would that be?
मुझे है ना अच्छा सा खाना खिला दो यार मुझे. आई रियली एंजॉय दैट. आई रियली एंजॉय गुड मील इफ समबडी इज पुटिंग द एफर्ट ना, मे बी टेकिंग मी आउट और कुकिंग फॉर मी. आई रियली लाइक दैट एफर्ट, यू नो. मुझे लगता है क्योंकि मुझे
Food
लगता है
is his
खाना है ना
love
इज अ रियली आर्ट यार, यू नो. समबडी इज कुकिंग फॉर मी, मेकिंग अ पास्ता और इंडियन और व्हाटएवर.
बनाया होगा किसी ने तो.
I mean, तभी तो बता रहा हूँ. तो I mean, it has. So that is really, really. I mean, I feel that's
How
so
sweet.
much. Somebody's creating something for me, na. It's like how beautiful that is.
How sweet.
That really touches my heart.
सुन लीजिए. अभी पूछना नहीं चाहिए ना मुझे सिंगल हो कि नहीं हो, ताकि लोग जो देख रहे हैं.
नहीं, I'm single from a very long time.
तो बस डीएम्स में
Now.
अगर अभी कौन से खाने वाने के लिस्ट आने वाले हैं, इस
Sure.
इंटरव्यू
You
के
can
बाद.
get a
मुझे
nice
5
chef.
साल हो गए सिंगल हुए बिकॉज जैसे ही मैंने ये काम स्टार्ट किया ना, उसके बाद when you're doing something that you really don't have
Time
time, किसी से बात करने का टाइम नहीं है वो.
तो आपको पता है हाउ टू विन जितेश जी का हार्ट? अलंकृता?
I think he needs to be good at his job. Like for me, everything comes down to job work.
Perfectionist,
I think,
ambitious.
like he needs to be, and he needs to love himself first before loving me. अपने आप को प्यार करो, अपने काम को मेहनत करो, and you become something, and you just then I'll think about it. If he's really successful and he loves himself, respect everything, you know, then only I can think about love and all. Otherwise, it's just like.
But
waste
अच्छा,
of time.
this guy loves himself and
Yeah.
you're not successful, then you like him.
No.
And so he has to love himself, then he has to become successful, then Alankita, madam, well, you're like, यार अब ये ठीक लग रहा है.
Yeah, because I'm working really hard to become something. If I and I respect my
Passionate होना
energy
चाहिए.
and time, yeah.
Passionate होना चाहिए.
And I have to put. I cannot be not doing anything and just think and wander about things and be in a dreamland. No, it's not like that.
ठीक है, fair enough. All right. What is the weirdest pickup line someone has used on you? You know, ऐसे बहुत सारे ऐसे होते हैं, ऐसे एक लाइन मारते हैं लोग कभी-कभी, कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, can be in a restaurant, and so when you're traveling, anywhere.
अरे मेरे साथ एक बार हुआ था कि मैं एक बार पंजाब के किसी कॉलेज में गया था, तो मैंने ऐसे बोला था कि मुझे छोले भटूरे पसंद है, तो शी इज़ लाइक कि ना वो स्टेज पे एक लड़की, और आप बहुत टोटा लग रहे हो, आपको मैं ना छोले भटूरे बना के खिलाऊंगी, आप चलोगे?
पर एक बात तो बोलना है, उसको पता तो है कि आपको खाने से ही दिल जीता जा सकता है।
Oh God,
She
it was
knew
so
about it,
embarrassing. No,
maybe.
the way she said it, everybody started laughing. It was a girls' college, and they were
क्या किया
really
आपने?
like,
What are you doing in a girls' college though? That's
I
the
was
question.
no, I was a judge. I was
अच्छा.
judging that pageant. कुछ हो रहा था उनका, कुछ छोटा Miss College, कुछ ऐसा type था, and I was there, and everybody was like, oh, टोटा.
तो आपने जवाब में क्या बोला?
मैंने बोला थैंक यू मैडम.
थैंक यू, हाँ चाहिए कि थैंक यू मैडम डॉक्टर
नहीं नहीं थैंक यू मैडम, अभी शर्म आ गई मुझे यार. आई एम रियली शाय दैट वे.
देखो बट लड़कियां कितने क्यूट होती है, कितने क्यूट से बातें करते हैं. अब आज सुनते हैं यहाँ पे वियर्डेस्ट पिकअप लाइन क्या यूज किया होगा. बहुत सारे होंगे कुछ तो.
I think the one thing I can think about is like, are you a Wi-Fi? I'm like, what? Because I can feel really strong connection towards you. I'm like,
अरे भगवान.
this is like, what? I know.
दिश लग रहा है.
Wi-Fi? I'm like, huh?
दिश बोला भाई नाक कटवा दी.
I'm like,
लड़कों प्लीज गेट सम गुड लाइंस
yeah,
प्लीज.
exactly.
अब आपने ये बोला है तो फिर अभी कुछ करना पड़ेगा फिर तो.
क्या
टेस्ट
कराओगे?
करते हैं. इन्होंने कहा कुछ लाइन थोड़ा
हाँ.
आपके चार्मिंग फ्लिटिशियस स्किल्स टेस्ट किया
अच्छा,
जाए.
बताइए.
आपको कुछ बोलना है इनको
जी.
एंड वो आपको उसको रेट करेंगी आपकी चार्म और आपके फ्लिटेशन स्किल्स को. आर यू रेडी?
All right.
ओके
For this person.
जी,
huh?
जी.
I mean,
अरे, for
because I
one-
know her so
this
well,
person.
and if I have to flirt with her, so that's going to be very different. If I'm going to flirt with other person,
तो
like
अल-
if I have to,
अभी-
yeah.
I think he can
I don't want to say that, but
नहीं,
yeah, that's going to be
no
absolute.
problem. You can tell anyone. You can tell
Yeah.
me, her.
Yeah.
But हमको ये देखना है and she is the judge. वो
अच्छा,
आपको
ठीक है,
मार्किंग
ठीक है.
देगी.
Yeah. Alankrita, you are so good. You will one day become the CEO and maybe the politician and maybe the biggest producer, because yeah, you are so pretty and you work so beautifully. So yeah. अभी बता रहा
You
हूँ
know what
ना,
you
बाकी
But see, इन्होंने what I like about him is he exactly knew what works for you.
Yeah, that's
exactly. She's for
powerful.
her.
Nice.
She wants the, with hard work, she needs that. She wants to become that power.
yeah. If I'm working
I mean,
with something, I need
which
to
is
become,
absolutely
na?
amazing.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल.
I haven't seen that power I mean, I've been
100%.
with so many women and like so many friends in the college, so many friends in school. Like the way she was like, I've seen her determination. Na? कि भाई वो नहीं होता, गन मशीन नहीं थी, तो she's like energy gun machine. Like she's like, oh, we have to walk, let's just walk, and that power I've seen, like I admire Priyanka Chopra. That oh my God, she's like same
amazing.
power. So she's mix of Priyanka Chopra and
No,
Kangana
no,
Ranaut.
not.
Oh.
Yeah. She's really mixed.
Both of them are fantastic actors.
Both of them are fantastic actors. They are like power. They both really emit epitome of like courage and power. How she was like, Kangana Ranaut, she's so courageous, and how Priyanka Chopra is really dominating.
have created
She
their
doesn't
own
give
industry.
power to anybody in the
Yeah.
room, and she goes there. She's like, I have the power,
She owns it.
and she really owns it. I really love that feature. And I love that, thing in a woman. I really want to be surrounded by those people who really are like that, determined and very good.
I love it. Okay.
Yeah.
तो मुझे तो लगता है अब तो नंबर तो काफी हाई होंगे रेट करना है इनका चार्म को, बिकॉज इन्होंने तो भाई
यार मैंने तो बता दिया.
This is 10 out of 10.
बाकी लड़कियां गाली देंगी,
आकाश?
बोलेंगे क्या पॉलिटिशियन बनोगे.
नहीं पर वही तो ना, नाउ इफ यू हैव टू केटर टुवर्ड्स मी,
I am
आप
absolutely
वैसे ही
obsessed with
केटर
it.
करके
Oh, yes,
करो.
that's how.
लव
ये जो है ना, ये जो that skill, that's
The
how I
happiness
become
for
a
me
little
working with two
successful
governments.
producer, because I'm releasing the film now. That because now I know the psychology of that person, how that person going to be love me, that because I know, I can sense that, यार इसको पसंद नहीं आ रहा, let's just go from their side. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna do that, So that magic, you learn it while doing it. That how that person will understand you.
Absolutely. Well, I am so excited for both of you. अलंकृता एंड जितेश, हमारे तारा और आकाश डेब्यू हो रहा है हिंदी फीचर फिल्म पे. गो किल इट. You know, all the very best. आप लोग बहुत प्यारे लोग हो, बहुत honest हो.
तो मुझे लगता है कि है ना यार, ये एक ऐसा अटेम्प्ट है ना जिसमें हमने ऐसा दिखाने की कोशिश की कि यार प्यार की गहराई क्या है ना, और बहुत सिंपल तरीके से, थोड़ी सी फिलॉसफी से, थोड़ा सा मॉडर्न प्यार से, बट सच्चाई से, बहुत ऑनेस्टी से हमने ये फिल्म बनाई है. इसीलिए कि अगर आप फिल्म बनाना चाहते हैं, एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, और फिर अगर आप एक्टर्स को या फिल्म मेकर को या सपोर्ट नहीं करोगे तो फिर who's gonna support us? It's needed. It's really the ecosystem ना has to work like that. If you really want to become a filmmaker, if you want to make films, support the filmmakers, you know. हमारा प्रॉब्लम ये कि ना तो हमारे पास PR सपोर्ट है, ना ही तो हमारे पास रियल जो ऑर्गेनिक फिल्म मेकर्स हैं उनका सपोर्ट है, बिकॉज वी केम फ्रॉम नोवेयर. एंड ना तो हमारे पास जो ऑथेंटिक फिल्म मेकर्स और एक्टर्स हैं, ना तो हमें वो जानते हैं, ना ही हमारे को द ग्लैमरस इंडस्ट्री नोज अस. सो नोबडी नोज अस. हमने पता नहीं कहाँ से एक फिल्म बना दी एंड दे आर सेइंग यू दीस गाइस आर. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. It's about the people now. Now, if you really want to really watch something organic and कुछ ऐसा कि यार प्यार एक अलग realm से आता हुआ, please watch our film and really try to understand where we coming from.
How
It's a
lovely.
very
Like I said,
turning around.
cheering for both of you. All the very best, guys. Well done.
Yay! हमारा हो गया successful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you so
thank you, thank you.